As a business owner, your to-do list is never ending. There's always something to do. We're getting into 5 ways you can boost productivity while working from home and working for yourself and still take the weekends off. Hi, I'm Ariana. I'm a social media manager. On this channel, we talk about socials for business, content creation and content marketing, and work-life balance. Tip number 1 is to cut distractions. I know you've heard this 100 times and it's much easier said than done, but here's how to actually do it. When I say cut distractions, I also mean to stop multitasking. Doing different things during one project is going to drag it out more, make it take longer to finish, gives you room to make mistakes because you're not 100% focused, and it also makes it easier for you to procrastinate. Cutting distractions while you're working on one thing will literally cut your production time down and your turnover time in half, and you'll be laser focused on giving your best effort. Try putting your phone on do not disturb. I don't suggest watching Netflix while you are working. Listen to some lo-fi music or something that just gets you in a productive mood. Music that doesn't have lyric. Try doing one of those 10-hour loops on YouTube of your favorite song, or just give yourself time to be wired in. Number 2 is planning according to your energy levels. Most people don't feel 100% ready to take on their day first thing in the morning, and we also find ourselves struggling to keep our eyes open after lunch. So plan your tasks according to your energy level. I usually feel very productive after I've gone through my morning routine and really woken up. Usually like to get the most extensive high energy tasks done when I have the most energy. Right after breakfast, right after I have a clear head. And this is also a time where you can be laser focused when you're just getting started on working. When I'm completely out of energy, I tend to just put things off to the next day, which is totally fine. But I found that placing these tasks around different times in my schedule when I know I'm gonna have energy definitely gets the job done. Number 3 is to spice up your office space. Having a cute office space or even just a desk in a room, depending on what your work from home situation is like, that's decorated with cute but functional items can really boost your mood when you're working. I have about 7 different planners that I absolutely love. I have a bunch of cute pens that I love to find excuses to use. I have a really cute laptop cover, wireless keyboard that I love to hear clack. These things just keep your spirit up in your office space and more satisfaction when you are using them and you are working, which in turn boosts your productivity. Number 4 is to create a routine. As a business owner, I know every day can look completely different, but creating a routine based on grouping different tasks, for example, all of your admin tasks, all of your content creation, placing them in a certain time block of every day, help make sure that you get all of it done because you won't go back to that place until tomorrow. Do something different every single day. Mondays and Thursdays are my filming days, Tuesdays and Wednesdays are my admin days, so I block off time to get everything that I need to get done. If I don't get it done, then I'm working on the weekend, which I absolutely hate to do. This definitely helps me finish my tasks, and if not, it's gonna have to be left until next week. So that in itself is just a little bit of motivation. Having a routine can also kind of calm your mind and let you know what you have to do, set you up for the day. And even if you don't have time to plan, you already know what's happening. Tip number 5 is to specify your to-do list. I'm sure you probably have like 6 of them. I know I do. And it's great to stay organized, but completing a to-do list is a whole different story. The way to actually get things crossed off on your to-do list is to be as specific as possible. If you have to clear your inbox, if you have a bunch of emails that you need to get to, instead of writing emails on your to-do list, write in your top 3 high priority emails that you need to respond to, and that'll just give you a little bit more urgency and also show you that it actually won't take as much time as you think. This way you'll know exactly what you need to do. It eliminates decision fatigue and saves you time. If you got anything valuable from this video, don't forget to hit the like button down below. It really does help my channel. If you'd like to see more content like this, I definitely suggest subscribing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!